What's up, fella? Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save the secret truth behind what women want in guys. Number 1. Mindfulness. This is potentially the most significant characteristic in a man, mindfulness. We as a whole have blemishes and terrible days. However, monitoring your conduct and how it influences others is a gigantic piece of manliness. Buttfaces don't care the slightest bit about what they do to other individuals, yet a man is somebody who really thinks about other individuals' sentiments. At the end of the day, he acts like an individual. Number 2. Proactive. A genuine man isn't lying on the sofa consistently, trusting that his better half will present to him a lager. Rather, he's up and moving. He needs to get things done with his life. He needs to appreciate the minutes and complete things. Presently, this doesn't mean you can't plunk down and air out the brew. In any case, you're not giving your life a chance to squander away while every other person is taking every necessary step for you. Number 3. He comprehends that a relationship is an association. Numerous men believe that to take care of business, you ought to be in charge and predominant in a relationship. Which isn't right. A relationship is around two individuals in association. Both have great and terrible characteristics. Be that as it may, you bolster one another and utilize your qualities to cooperate. It's not about the man making a few bucks, it's a collaboration. A genuine man sees this and utilizes this association to profit the two individuals. Number 4. Uses words over clench hands. I realize that numerous men feel demonstrating genuine manliness is about not giving anybody a chance to abuse you. Which is valid, be that as it may, a few people think the best way to do it is to physically battle it out. Which isn't right.